Have you ever felt like you're losing yourself in a relationship, uncertain where your identity ends and another begins? In a world where connection often comes with compromise, it's easy to forget who we are. The pressure to please others, meet expectations, or ignore red flags can quietly erode our self-worth. But what if the key to healthier relationships isn't about changing others, but empowering ourselves? As Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." In this video, we explore 9 Stoic-based insights that will help you recognize unhealthy patterns, protect your peace, and reclaim your independence. These aren't abstract ideas. They're powerful tools to help you cultivate strength, clarity, and authenticity in every relationship. By the end, you will have a deeper understanding of how to apply these insights to your own life, fostering relationships that uplift and empower you on your journey toward personal growth and fulfillment. Welcome to the Stoic Code. Subscribe and join our community of seekers choosing self-mastery over self-sacrifice. Number 1. Be true to yourself. Maintaining individuality and authenticity in relationships is crucial for fostering genuine connections. It's essential to encourage viewers to embrace their uniqueness and resist the pressure to conform to societal expectations. Each person brings distinct qualities and perspectives to a relationship, much like the pieces of a puzzle. When we try to fit into a mold that doesn't reflect who we are, it can lead to frustration and dissatisfaction, as the pieces simply don't align. Instead of forcing ourselves to fit in, we should celebrate our differences, recognizing that they contribute to the richness of our interactions. As the Stoic philosopher Seneca wisely stated, "A good character, when established, is not easily shaken." This quote underscores the importance of having a clear sense of personal direction and staying true to oneself. By prioritizing authenticity, we not only enhance our own lives, but also create space for others to do the same. In doing so, we cultivate relationships that are built on mutual respect and understanding, allowing both individuals to thrive while remaining true to their core selves. Embracing individuality ultimately leads to deeper, more meaningful connections. Number 2. Don't lose yourself in others. Losing oneself in another person can be a perilous journey, often leading to a diminished sense of self and unfulfilled aspirations. It's vital to nurture personal goals and ambitions, as these elements are essential for maintaining a balanced and fulfilling life. When we become overly enmeshed in someone else's identity, we risk neglecting our own dreams and desires, which can lead to feelings of emptiness and resentment. The Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius reminds us of the importance of inner peace, stating, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." This wisdom emphasizes that true strength comes from within, and by focusing on our own values and aspirations, we can cultivate a sense of inner tranquility. It's crucial for viewers to reclaim their identity and self-worth, recognizing that they are deserving of love and respect as individuals. By prioritizing personal growth and self-discovery, we can foster healthier relationships that honor both partners' identities. Ultimately, embracing our individuality not only enriches our lives, but also enhances the quality of our connections with others, leading to more authentic and fulfilling interactions. Number 3. Prioritize mental well-being. Prioritizing mental well-being is essential for leading a fulfilling life. Yet many individuals often neglect their personal happiness in the hustle and bustle of daily responsibilities. Ignoring our mental health can lead to a cascade of negative consequences, including increased stress, anxiety, and a diminished capacity to enjoy life. When we fail to nurture our inner joy, we risk becoming overwhelmed and disconnected from ourselves and those around us. It's crucial to encourage viewers to actively protect their inner peace and joy, recognizing that these elements are vital for overall well-being. Engaging in self-care practices, setting boundaries, and taking time for personal reflection can significantly enhance mental health. Moreover, it's important to reinforce the idea that happiness is a personal responsibility. It is not something that can be solely derived from external sources or other people. By taking ownership of our happiness, we empower ourselves to create a life that aligns with our values and desires. Ultimately, prioritizing mental well-being not only benefits us individually, but also positively impacts our relationships, allowing us to engage with others from a place of strength and fulfillment. Number 4, cultivate a support system. Maintaining a support system is vital for our emotional and mental well-being, much like a tree that thrives with strong roots and branches. Just as a tree relies on its roots for stability and nourishment, we depend on our relationships to provide us with strength and support during challenging times. The connections we cultivate act as a network that helps us weather life's storms. As Plato wisely stated, friendship is essentially a partnership, emphasizing the nurturing aspect of these bonds. Friendships offer us encouragement, understanding, and a sense of belonging, which are crucial for personal growth. It's important to encourage viewers to reconnect with loved ones, as these relationships can serve as a lifeline when we face difficulties. Whether it's reaching out to an old friend or strengthening ties with family, investing time in our support system can significantly enhance our resilience. By fostering these connections, we not only enrich our own lives, but also create a community where we can share our joys and challenges. Ultimately, a robust support system empowers us to navigate life's complexities with greater confidence and assurance, reminding us that we are never truly alone. Number 5, invest time with purpose. Highlighting the value of time and personal investment is crucial in our fast-paced lives. Time is one of our most precious resources, and finding a balance between dedicating it to ourselves and to others is essential for overall well-being. When we allocate time wisely, we can nurture our personal growth while also fostering meaningful relationships. The Stoic philosopher Seneca famously stated, "It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it." This quote underscores the importance of effective time management and the need to prioritize activities that truly matter. By being intentional with our time, we can engage in pursuits that bring us joy and fulfillment, whether that's pursuing a hobby, investing in our education, or simply taking time for self-reflection. Encouraging viewers to invest time in fulfilling pursuits not only enhances their personal satisfaction, but also enriches their interactions with others. Ultimately, by recognizing the value of time and making conscious choices about how we spend it, we can create a life that reflects our true passions and aspirations, leading to a more balanced and rewarding existence. Number 6, protect your story. Discussing the importance of privacy regarding personal history is essential in today's interconnected world. Protecting our personal narratives and vulnerabilities is crucial, as these stories shape who we are and how we perceive ourselves. Sharing our experiences can foster connection, but it's vital to approach this sharing with caution. Encouraging viewers to share selectively and wisely helps them maintain control over their personal information and emotional well-being. Not everyone needs to know the details of our past. Instead, we should choose to share with those who respect our journey and can provide genuine support. Reinforcing the idea that one's past is a personal journey emphasizes that each individual's experiences are unique and should be treated with care. Our histories contribute to our identity, and safeguarding them allows us to reflect on our growth without external judgment. By valuing our privacy, we create a safe space for healing and self-discovery. Ultimately, understanding the significance of privacy in our personal narratives empowers us to navigate our relationships and interactions with greater confidence, ensuring that we share our stories in ways that honor our experiences and protect our vulnerabilities. Number 7, say no to people-pleasing. Highlighting the importance of staying true to oneself is essential for achieving genuine happiness. One of the significant dangers of people-pleasing is that it often leads to a loss of personal identity, as individuals may compromise their values and desires to gain approval from others. This constant need for validation can create a cycle of dissatisfaction and anxiety, ultimately impacting overall well-being. As Marcus Aurelius wisely stated, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." This quote emphasizes that our mindset plays a crucial role in shaping our experiences. By prioritizing our own beliefs and desires, we can cultivate a more authentic and fulfilling life. Encouraging viewers to embrace the power of saying no is vital in this journey. Setting boundaries allows us to protect our time and energy, ensuring that we engage in activities that resonate with our true selves. By learning to say no, we reclaim our autonomy and prioritize our happiness. Ultimately, staying true to oneself fosters a deeper sense of fulfillment and joy, enabling us to navigate life with confidence and authenticity, free from the constraints of others' expectations. Number 8. Embrace solitude. Discussing the importance of self-discovery and independence is vital for personal growth. It's essential to differentiate between solitude and loneliness. Solitude is a choice that allows for reflection and self-exploration, while loneliness often stems from a lack of connection with others. Embracing solitude can lead to profound insights about ourselves, fostering independence and a deeper understanding of our values and desires. As Aristotle wisely stated, "Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom." This quote highlights the value of self-knowledge as a foundation for making informed decisions and living authentically. Encouraging viewers to embrace solitude as a path to self-growth can empower them to explore their thoughts and feelings without external distractions. By taking time for introspection, individuals can uncover their true passions and aspirations, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling life. Independence gained through self-discovery allows us to engage with the world from a place of strength and clarity. In this journey, solitude becomes a powerful ally, enabling us to cultivate resilience and confidence as we navigate our unique paths. Ultimately, prioritizing self-discovery fosters a richer, more meaningful existence, enhancing our relationships and overall well-being. Number 9. Celebrate your wins. Emphasizing the importance of recognizing personal achievements is crucial for fostering a positive mindset and encouraging continued growth. It's essential to encourage viewers to acknowledge their progress, no matter how small, as every step forward is a testament to their efforts and resilience. Life can be likened to a journey, where each milestone represents a significant achievement along the way. Just as travelers celebrate reaching a destination, we should take the time to recognize our own milestones, whether they are completing a project, overcoming a challenge, or simply making a positive change in our daily routines. Reinforcing the idea that every victory contributes to personal growth helps individuals understand that success is not solely defined by grand accomplishments. Instead, it is the accumulation of small victories that builds confidence and propels us forward. By celebrating these achievements, we cultivate a sense of self-worth and motivation, inspiring us to pursue our goals with renewed vigor. Ultimately, recognizing personal achievements fosters a mindset of gratitude and positivity, allowing us to appreciate our journey and the progress we've made along the way. Relationships are not the place we go to lose ourselves. They're the space where our truest selves should thrive. In this journey, we explored 9 principles rooted in Stoic thought and timeless truth. We began with the importance of staying true to yourself and resisting the urge to conform. We saw how maintaining individuality protects our inner peace and how refusing to lose ourselves in others preserves our strength. We emphasized the role of mental well-being and intentional time as pillars of empowered living. We looked at the quiet strength in honoring our personal stories and saying no to people-pleasing. Solitude, we discovered, is not isolation, but a sacred ground for growth. And above all, we learned to recognize and celebrate the progress we make. Each of these practices is a way of saying, "I am worth the effort." Growth is not an outcome, it's a commitment, and it begins with presence, boundaries, and self-respect. If this message resonated with you, subscribe to the Stoic Code, and walk this path with us. Share your insights in the comments. We read every one. And remember the words of Epictetus: know first who you are, and then adorn yourself accordingly. Farewell, and stay grounded.